Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs. Today, we're honing in on a crucial skill, transforming a mediocre pitch deck into a standout presentation. Let's quickly dive into how you can elevate your pitch to captivate and impress potential investors. Start with clarity in your narrative. Ask yourself, does my pitch clearly articulate the problem and my unique solution? Simplify and focus your message to ensure immediate resonance. Evaluate your value proposition. Make sure it's crystal clear why your solution outshines others. Highlighting what sets you apart is key to capturing interest. Revamp with visuals. Replace dense text with engaging visuals or infographics. A visually appealing slide can convey complex information effortlessly and keep your audience engaged. Incorporate social proof. Testimonials, partnerships, or milestones can significantly boost your credibility. Show that others believe in your vision. Upgrade the design. Ensure your pitch deck is not only informative, but also aesthetically pleasing, with a consistent and professional design that aligns with your brand. Practice your delivery. The passion and confidence in your presentation can be just as persuasive as the content itself. Make sure you're prepared to engage and inspire. By refining these aspects of your pitch deck, you're not just improving slides, but enhancing the narrative and appeal of your entire startup. Now, I'm curious, what strategies have you found effective in elevating your pitch deck? Share your insights and let's learn from each other's successes.